Welcome fam, Coach Nate here. Whether you feel like your hips are locked up, your core is sluggish, or your lower body just doesn't move the way it should, you're in the right place. Today, we're unlocking hip mobility for smoother movement, core activation for better posture, lower body flexibility to reduce stiffness. Most people skip this part of their routine and wonder why they feel tight, sluggish, and stiff. But not you. You're showing up, and that means you're winning. And if you sit at a desk for hours, I've got something special for you. Make sure to stick through the end to find out. I promise you won't want to miss out. Let's hit the mat. We're starting with a deep hip mobility unlock, one of the most underrated movements for smooth and pain-free motion. Sit on the mat with your feet flat and knees bent. Place your hands behind you for support. Drop your right knee towards your left foot, keeping your feet in place. Come back to center and switch sides. Slowly rotate side to side, feeling the stretch deep in the hips. Continue for 1 minute, moving with control. This move increases hip internal rotation, reduces stiffness, and improves lower body control. Beginners keep a wider stance for less intensity. Advanced stretches, sit upright and use no hand support. Feeling the stretch deep in the hips, just wait until we lengthen the sides next. Let's open up the side body and hips with kneeling side angle stretch on the right. Now we're elongating the side body and hip flexors. Kneel on your right knee, extend your left leg straight out to the side. Place your left hand on your thigh and extend overhead, leaning to the right side. Stretch through your side body and gently swing your arm for a full minute, breathing deeply. The stretch improves lateral mobility, reduces tightness in the obliques, and unlocks hip flexibility. Beginners, keep your hand on your thigh for support. Advanced stretches, lower your elbow to the ground for a deeper stretch. Think that opened up your side? The other side might feel even tighter. Let's balance things out. Switch to the left side. Now we're stretching the opposite side to keep the body balanced. Kneel on your left knee, extend your right leg straight out. Place your right hand on your thigh and extend overhead. Feeling the stretch through your side. Swing your arm for 1 minute, breathing deeply. This stretch targets obliques, hip flexors, and spine for better mobility. Beginners, keep your hand on your thigh. Advanced stretches, lower down for a deeper stretch. Your sides are opening up, but can your hips handle the next move? Time to fire up the lower body with kneeling hip sit-ups. Let's mobilize the hips and activate the glutes in one movement. Start in a tall kneeling position with your knees hip-width apart. Sit back onto your heels, keeping your chest upright. Engage your glutes and core to return to the starting position. Repeat for 1 minute, moving with control. This move strengthens the glutes, improves hip mobility, and reduces lower back tightness. Beginners, use a block under your glutes for support. Advanced stretches, hold a light weight for extra resistance. Your hips are waking up, but can they handle some rotation next? Let's flow into a semi-hula hoop to loosen things up. Now we're adding circular motion to free up the hips and lower back. Kneel on the floor with your hands on your hips. Slowly circle your hips in one direction, making small controlled movements. After 30 seconds, switch directions. This move loosens up the hips, reduces tension in the lower back, and improves overall mobility. Beginners keep the circles smaller, advanced stretches make the circles wider for more range. Your hips are loose now, but imagine how great they'd feel with a full body flow every morning. And just like I promised, if you spend long hours at a desk, I've got something special for you. Grab a free desk worker stretching guide linked in the description or pinned comment. It's packed with morning, midday, and evening stretches to keep you pain-free all day. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.